Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Alusso LED lights. I've got them from Amazon and they just arrived. Going to be unboxing them and installing them as well as connecting them to the power. So in the box you get brackets for mounting them as well as the lights obviously. And there's also two leaflets as well as two warranty cards if you want to get the extended warranty. The lights are made of plastic, but they still feel pretty durable and high quality. They're waterproof, so that's what that rubber band is for. Yeah, it's pretty tight, which is a good sign. Here you can see the specifications, 36 watts. That's what it looks outside. And in my project that I will be installing them in. So that's all you get for mounting them. I've connected two of them this way, but you can also route a cable between them if you want to have them further apart. And now for the installation process or connecting the electricity, make sure that a verified electrician actually does this part and don't try it if you don't have the necessary experience and expertise. This is what it looks like when it's lit. It gets pretty bright, so I'm happy with that. And as you can see again, you need to put in a bit of pressure to get it closed again, which again is good. Now for connecting the second light as well, same process. My special contraption of getting them connected directly together. And this is what it looks like when both lights are connected. So yeah, I think I'll be installing just one of them because they're pretty bright, and the shed I will be installing them in is pretty small. So just mount these brackets to the ceiling, and that is when you can just clip them in. Works super easy. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.